If you ever had this sticky pinkish substance on your keyboard keys, it is the epoxy that they use to glue on the weights on the bottom of the keys. And sometimes if the keyboard is in extreme heat or stored by window or something like that, it'll start melting and it'll start dispersing all over, underneath the keys, between the keys. So what I'm doing is attempting to repair and clean these up, and I'm not going to replace. It seems like they're in good condition, so I'm just going to clean them up and clean up the board and put it back together.